In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to Canva. We will go step by step together, so just follow along on your screen. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, let's open your favorite web browser. Once you're there, head straight to the search bar and type in ChatGPT, then press Enter. You should see several results pop up, but keep an eye out for the official OpenAI website, which is usually one of the top listings. Make sure the result you choose clearly mentions ChatGPT so you know you're headed to the right place. Now, click on the link that leads you directly to the official ChatGPT page from OpenAI. When you do that, you'll arrive on a page that showcases the ChatGPT logo along with options to log in or sign up. If you end up on a page that looks completely different from what I just described, don't panic. Just use your back button and select a different result until you reach the official page. Now that you're on the right page, go ahead and click on the Login button. You'll have a few different options to log in: Google, Apple, phone, or email. Choose the one that works best for you and follow the prompts accordingly. When you click on your chosen method, a small window or a new page will open up, clearly displaying those options. If you're logging in with Google or Apple, you should see a list of your accounts. Just select the account you want to use. If you decide to go with phone or email, type in your details carefully. Keep an eye out for any verification steps, like a code being sent to your phone or email. Go through those steps, and soon enough you'll land on the main ChatGPT chat screen. From here, you'll want to find your profile icon, which is typically a small circle located in the top corner of the page. It could be a letter, a silhouette, or an image. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear, featuring several options related to your account. Look for the one that says Settings and give it a click. Once you're in the settings, a new panel will pop up either in the center of the screen or over to the side. This panel will show various sections that control how ChatGPT behaves for your account. For the purpose of connecting to Canva, we only need to focus on the parts related to plugins. So go ahead and click on Plugins from this panel, then select Browse Plugins. In this Tools area, you'll see a section labeled Plugins. Click on that, and then hit Browse Plugins to open up the extensive list of available tools you can connect to ChatGPT. A new window or panel will appear, displaying plenty of different services that you can add. Now it's time to locate Canva in this list. You can scroll through the available options, or, if you prefer, utilize the search field at the top. Just type in Canva to find it quickly. Once you spot Canva, you'll see either a Connect button or a small plus sign beside its name. Go ahead and click that to add Canva to your ChatGPT tools, which will kick off the connection process. Lastly, follow the prompt to log into your Canva account. A Canva sign-in page should pop up, where you will enter your Canva email and password, or you can opt for whatever existing login method you usually use. Once Canva recognizes you, you will be greeted by a permission screen that explains what ChatGPT can do with your Canva account. Go ahead and click Allow, and once that's done, the window will close, taking you back to ChatGPT with Canva now successfully connected. Congratulations! You have now successfully connected ChatGPT to Canva, allowing these two powerful tools to work together seamlessly inside your chats. If this tutorial helped you link ChatGPT and Canva, please give